Measurements are integral to our everyday lives, but they can put us into risky and tricky situations or require someone else to help gauge those lengthy distances. But here's a change by Magpie Tech VH80. Now, you can get out of that risky spot and don't need a helping hand to determine long distances. VH80 measures in not one, but two directions. From one press of a button, you can acquire the left, right, and total value at once, saving you precious time and energy on every move, and allowing you to work with greater efficiency by making you the focal point. Also, your measurements can be instantly updated to your smart device with our Sketch application, where you can design and plan for any projects. VH80's additional functions enable you to use continuous measuring mode to find midpoints, Pythagoras function to reach heights, and calculate the area and volume of any space. Life made easier. VH80 by Magpie Tech. We take that extra step so you don't have to.